Hello teacher, would you know everyone has a dream about the job they want to do in the future? So that's the reason now I want to share a little about the job I want to do in the future with you. Okay, I still want to become a data engineer in the future because I have an interested in code and I think it allows to write code and write computer programs that is cool. And because the job a job have very salary, very high salary. Okay, mm, if possible I want to work for VNG or Ghana, but if not I think it doesn't matter because you know because I love my ability my ability for the salary I want. I think it's around mm, 20 million because the more money I earn means less time for everything around me. Okay, thanks for watching.